Hello dear children. Today's thought is looking for perfection is the only way to motivate yourself. Now let us continue with the first chapter, geometrical constructions. In that today we will learn the property of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. So children, are you all ready with your notebook and geometry box? Now here we will be doing one activity. Draw any acute angle triangle. Draw perpendicular bisectors of all its three sides. Observe the location of the point of concurrence. Now children, I am using sketch pen for the construction so that it is clear to you in this video. But remember, you will use only sharp pointed pencil for construction. Children, now we will start with the actual construction of perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. For that, I have drawn here an acute angle triangle. Give the names PQR to the triangle. Everyone knows how to draw perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle. See, how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. Segment PQ, segment QR and segment PR. Now here we have to draw 3 perpendicular bisectors on all the 3 sides. Everyone knows for drawing the perpendicular bisector, we give arcs on both the sides of the segment. So for segment PQ, we will give arcs on this side as well as this side. These are the 2 sides of the segment PQ. Now for drawing perpendicular bisector of segment QR, we will give arcs on these 2 sides of the segment. Whereas to draw perpendicular bisector of segment PR, we will give arcs on these 2 sides of the segment. Now let us start with perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. Now to draw perpendicular bisector of segment PQ, we have to adjust measure of the compass more than half the length of the given segment. Now if you will see, we will adjust it more than half. Are you all able to see? Now put the needle end on one vertex. Give one arc on this side and another on the other side of the segment PQ. Now without changing the measure, put the needle end on vertex P. Give the arc on both the sides of the segment PQ like this. Now join these 2 intersecting points. You will get perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. Give the arrows. As this is perpendicular bisector, put the symbol of perpendicular, also the symbol of congruency. Give any name here A to this intersecting point and these 2 points LM. Now we will draw perpendicular bisector of segment QR. Again take the measure more than half. Give the arcs on both sides of the segment of QR. Now put the needle end on vertex R. Give one arc above the segment, another below the segment. Without changing the measure, put the needle end on vertex Q. Give one arc above the segment, another below the segment. And now join these 2 intersecting points. Give the arrow. Give the names. As this is the perpendicular bisector, so we will give the symbol of perpendicular as well as bisector. Give any name here B and any name to this line RS. Now we will draw perpendicular bisector of segment PR. So for that we have to draw arcs on both the sides of segment PR. We will put the compass on vertex R. Give an arc on this side, another on this side. Without changing the measure, put the needle end on vertex P. Give the arc on both the sides of the segment. Now join them using the ruler. Draw the line like this. Give the arrows. Give the name here C. As this is perpendicular, symbol of perpendicular. These two parts are congruent, so symbol of congruency. Give the name to this line UV. Now from this figure you will observe that all the three perpendicular bisectors, that is line RS, line LM and line UV, they all meet at one point. We call these lines as concurrent lines. Their common point of concurrence is called as circumcenter. It is represented by capital letter C. Now we will change this name. We will give it D because we cannot give the same name in one figure. Now this point of concurrence is called as circumcenter. Here from this figure, what do we observe? That all the three perpendicular bisectors of a triangle, they are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called as circumcenter. It is denoted by capital letter C. Now see here in this acute angle triangle, the location of circumcenter is inside the triangle. Here the location of circumcenter is inside the triangle. So now we will see, we had seen here three things. All the three perpendicular bisectors of the acute angle triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is represented by capital letter C, and the location of circumcenter in acute angle triangle is in the interior of the triangle. So children, note this. Now there is the homework. Draw any obtuse angle triangle. Find the point of concurrence of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle. Find the location of point of concurrence. Now children, there are some general instructions for you. Write everything that is being taught in online videos and complete your homework regularly in your mathematics copy. Use proper geometrical instruments and sharp pointed pencil only for construction. Thank you.